to access the dice tool, you will need to click on the magic box in the toolbar and click on Math Tools. From there, you will need to scroll down until you see the dice tool under Widgets. When you click on it, it'll be added to your canvas. From there, you can resize it or move it as needed and roll the dice with a simple clip. As you can see, very fun. Another super cool feature is that the dice tool is fully customizable. You can change the color and the number of dice that you want to roll. So here you'll see an example of me rolling a double dice in blue. Another cool thing is that you can also change the dots to be text. So you'll see that in a moment here. So I can go back to edit this, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on text and go back to one dice. So here I'm going to change the numbers to be numerals 1 through 5 to represent how many table groups I have. And then instead of using 6, because I only have 5 table groups, I'm going to change it to teacher choice. So that way, if it lands on teacher choice, then I will get to pick the student. So let's go ahead and roll that. And lucky me, I will get to pick which student will share the problem, or I could roll a 5 and then someone from table 5 could share the problem, or they can nominate someone from table 5 to do it. I mean, there's really endless possibilities with the dice tool. This is just one small example of how you could use the dice tool in your classroom for something that we like to call random reporter at our school.